of the Provincial Government of Cebu, I am very happy to welcome all of you here at the capital for the Unlad Local Cebu Roadshow. To our partners from the Department of Trade and Industry Region 7, partners from the private sectors, TikTok Shop, I'm such a fan, you know. Ako'y una naka-discover ang TikTok Shop and people ask me, Go, asan mo ipalit yung makeup and this and that, things that I wear. Ito nga TikTok Shop. Hindi sila mutuo. And Converge SME Solutions, daghang salamat for bringing this initiative closer to our Cebuano entrepreneurs. Our MSMEs are a very important part of Cebu's economy. Behind every small business is a Cebuano working hard to provide for a family, create jobs, and build something better for the future. Kabaluta nga dili lalim ng pagmilusyon. Adunay mga adlaw nga hinay ang halin, musaka ang gasto, ug daghan kaayong hagit na kinahanglan at tubangon. Parihara ka. Pero bisan lisod, manikamot ihapon mo sa iyong mamukaw, dugay, maguli, mangita o paagi, o dili, muhunong yun. Kariyara sa tagtrabaho. Mao nga kana ang kasing-kasing sa atong mga Cebuano entrepreneurs. Ugihan, madiskarte, ug determinado nga molambo, dili lamang para sa ilang kaugalingon, kundi para usab sa ilang pamilya ug komunidad. But we also know that the way we do business is changing very fast. Today, being online opens so many opportunities, even for our smallest entrepreneurs, to reach customers beyond their own communities. That is why programs like Unlad Local are important. We want our entrepreneurs to have access not only to technology, but also to the right knowledge, skills, and opportunities to grow their business. Sa tanan natong MSMEs here today, daghang salamat sa inyong kahagom. And hope you make the most of this opportunity. Learn, connect, ask questions, and bring what you learn here back to your businesses and local communities. Your Cebu Provincial Government will continue to support and push for initiatives that help our local entrepreneurs grow and succeed. Once again, welcome to Cebu Provincial Capital. Daghang salamat ug maayong ka natong tanan.
Today is more than just a roadshow or a training activity. It is a powerful demonstration of what can happen when we bring together government support, private sector innovation, digital platforms, and the dynamic entrepreneurial spirit of our MSMEs. We live in a time when the marketplace is no longer confined to a physical store, street corners, or city borders. With the power of technology, a small business in Cebu and Central Visayas can reach customers across the Philippines and potentially across the world. And this is precisely where opportunities lie. The DTI remains steadfast in delivering programs and services that foster innovation, skills development, and industry excellence. These are core pillars of DTI Secretary Maria Cristina Roque's 5-point agenda, which includes digital transformation and artificial intelligence or AI, diversifying operations, funding, franchising, and mentoring. For the DTI, with the support of its e-commerce bureau and the regional operations group, digitalization is not simply about encouraging businesses to go online. It is about equipping our entrepreneurs with the knowledge, tools, connectivity, and opportunities needed to compete and scale. Through the Unlad Local program, DTI with the TikTok Shop and Converge have joined hands to provide MSMEs with practical e-commerce knowledge and skills and onboarding support for sustainable growth on the online platform.
Kita ka as in, kita ka ng customer. Kita ka as in, kumikita ka. At iyon ang gusto natin mangyari sa ating mga MSME. Kita ka. To our partners from DTI Cebu, TikTok Shop, our fellow advocates for MSMEs, and most especially to our hardworking Cebuano entrepreneurs online sellers, creators, and aspiring business owners, maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Unlad Lokal is really about one thing, opportunity. Opportunity for the entrepreneur who started with just a few products, for the business owner selling from a small store, from home, or through social media, for the online seller who wants to reach more customers, and for the creator who wants to turn talent and passion into a business. Because we believe that every business, no matter how small it is today, has the potential to grow. But today, having a good product is no longer enough. Kailangan kita ka. Kailangan nakikita ka ng customers. Kailangan madali kang mahanap. Kailangan marunong kang mag-connect, mag-market, at gumamit ng technology to grow your business. And this is where partnerships like this become important. DTI provides the program and support. TikTok Shop gives our sellers and creators a platform to reach more customers. And Converge SME Solutions provides the connectivity and digital solutions that can help businesses go further.
We have seen strong momentum in Visayas and Mindanao. From July 2025 to July 2026, average orders in the region grew by 140%, while the number of sellers increased by 50%. Our creator ecosystem has also grown by 160%, driven by on-ground acquisition, education, and partnerships. Sales driven by Live also increased by 130%. This points to the rise of discovery commerce and the thriving content ecosystem in these regions. Cebu, in particular, has long been a vibrant center of business, entrepreneurship, and creativity, with local businesses and emerging brands that have products, stories, and ideas that reach audiences far beyond their communities. So we are excited to be here today. Unlad Lokal has already trained more than 35,000 MSMEs nationwide and expanded to more than 15 cities and regions. As we see more sellers and creators finding opportunities in Visayas, bringing the program to Cebu is another step in building their capabilities and helping them turn that momentum into sustainable business growth. At TikTok Shop, we believe that digitalization can help make those opportunities more accessible. But having a digital platform is only one part of the equation. Business owners and creators also need the knowledge, tools, connectivity, and confidence to make most of these opportunities. This is what makes today's partnership with DTI and Converge particularly meaningful.
Through this MOU, we'll be able to help Filipinos nationwide on how to participate in the digital economy. Also, digitalization opportunities help future-proof businesses in the ever-evolving retail landscape.
You guys and to really empower our Cebu business representatives and business owners.
Wail po is?
Wail? Wail kailangan sa Tagalog, tabangi ko, nag-isip ko.
Para sa walang nakakakilala. So, wail. Walang nakakakilala. Walay nakakilala. Okay. Listen, pag-bali ayun, translate.
Sorry mo, naka-off kasi yung subtitles natin right now. Hindi mo naman.
Yes, ayan.
So, ask naman po natin si Sir Franco. Now, Franco, may something tayo nakikita kasi sa TikTok, talagang lumalaki yung platform po natin. But content can introduce people to things like hindi nila kadalasan nakikita in their account in the first place. So, when it comes to discovery commerce, can you talk more kung paano ba natin siya ma-maximize, especially ng mga entrepreneurs natin na present here?
Yeah, of course. I think our lovely creator here has been a great example. I just learned what if, right? So when you present your authentic stories on TikTok Shop and you connect it back to your brand, you connect it back to your products, and you partner with lovely creators who can further amplify that story, it's very easy for you to connect with your current audience and even with potential audiences later on. So a great example of like, was that what you? Yeah. And propagating that within the platform as well. And
scaling your brand eventually. Yeah.
Ako po, honestly, na-pick up ko po talaga kay Sir. Kasi lumalabas ka talaga kay Sir, honestly, sa FYP ko, is yung I Go Mayo. And lagi ko po siya nagagamit if there's going to be an event in our Vismid region. So Cebu, I Go Mayo.
Dapat na.
Ayan. Thanks, Franco. So, David, how does that thing come to life to you? Especially, do you think having a unique content can make our MSMEs put their products on TikTok, especially adding Cebu or like the Bisaya Panyo thing to your brand?
So what everybody needs to understand is attention is earned, not given. So when you're trying to make videos online, you're really fighting for attention with so many people. And so the more unique you are, the more that you have something different to say from everybody, the more attention you will get. And we love attention.
And attention gives you market and of course customers, right?
Attention gives you money.
Money. So to our MSMEs, find a unique way, no? Like David, na Bisaya Konyo. So maybe during your live selling, you can try Bisaya Konyo din while live selling.
99, unbelievable.
Sige. Bisaya Konyo, disappointed to. You can add words, ha?
99, unbelievable.
Parang hindi mo kabutuo.
Kahit na-miss na pang 99 sale.
Oh, so that will happen to you if you miss the 99 sale. Sige, Franco.
What do we do?
Disappointed.
Disappointed? 99, unbelievable.
Hi, Jay. Shout out, Jay. Disappointed, Jay.
Adaptation ko lang kasi po. Sige. Angry to. Angry na po.
Kamu ko na.
Sige.
99? Unbelievable!
Gusto ko na siya si David. Sige, Franco.
99, unbelievable.
Sinjin.
As you excited naman.
99? Unbelievable!
Oh, pwede siya mag-commercial sir siya na, no? Sige, Franco.
99, unbelievable.
Tony.
Super cool siya, no?
Tony. Oh, it says Tony. Ano yun?
And then
Excited.
last, flirt.
Ako ka na. Kay Tony ka na. Kang Tony flirt.
I think Sir Franco should go first with a 30 no.
Kay Margain, pasabog si David.
99, unbelievable.
Wow, so
Ikiling mo, Sinjin. Galing mo ba?
Okay na po, okay na to.
Hindi. Dapat taan siya na representative dito sa Cebu. Go. 30 to. Go.
99? Unbelievable.
Wow! Kung yung buhay na to siya. Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
So why is it in particular? It's because we see the region as a major hub for business and also for growth. Particularly, you've seen this being led by the Cebu West region, particularly Cebu as well. And we want to take advantage of this by introducing programs like this in order to empower the sellers here and allow them to scale their businesses through practical training with TikTok Shop, of course in partnership with PCI and also Converge.
For us at Converge, we're very much into communities, and we know for a fact that Cebu is such a very interesting and creative community. We know that you really respect your heritage and your culture here. So if you want to focus on a very strong community, Cebu would be the best place to launch this. At the same time, being related to Converge, we're also rolling out our new works here in Visayas. So very good timing, thanks to TikTok and DTI. I guess it was just perfect timing